let's try to see how you can create your own blog, right? So basically here we are uh, sending data to the database. So let's try to get this, firstly the blog list, and here I will try to copy this blog, and let's say we are going to create a blog. So we will provide this information here. Let's do not pass the ID here, and let's say how to install Django on your Windows system. Windows, right? And the author of the blog is, let's say Khan, right? And we will try to post this data, and here you can see this data is actually saved on the server right now. If you try to see blog hyphen list, here you can see this blog is created on the server right now. So that's how the create endpoint will work. If you want to update certain kind of a blog, so what you will do, so you will try to fetch the particular blog by their IDs, and then try to update the resources for the same, right? So let's say if you are trying to search the blog with ID, so I think this is not exist, or might I have missed some endpoint, right? So it's not uh, alone update, it's like API forward slash blog hyphen update, right? And you need to specify the blog ID too, right? So yes, you need to update this. So let's let's update by uh, let's update by this. So in that case we have Windows. So I already mentioned how to install Django's on Windows. Let's type how to install Django's on Linux, and the author will be different here, and the category will be the Django here, right? So let's try to post. So here you can see this particular blog is updated, right? So let's say if you want to see all the blogs, so you will go visit to this endpoints, and you will specify blog.list. So here you can actually see this blog is already updated. So that's how all the endpoints will work for the particular APIs. So thanks for this.